All right, one-step equations with multiplication involving negative numbers. So let's look at the rules first. All right, when you have a negative number multiplied to a positive number, you'll get a negative result. So minus 2 times 2 gives you minus 4. What this also means is that minus 4 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by 2 will give you negative 2. At the same time, it also means that minus 4 divided by negative 2 will give you 2. So what it means is this. With multiplication, if you multiply a negative number to a positive number, you get a negative result. By the same token, if you have a negative number divided by a positive number, you get a negative result. On the other hand, if you have a negative number divided by a negative number, you get a positive result. So essentially, what it means is this. If you have two numbers being multiplied or divided together, if one of the numbers is negative, then the result is negative. If both numbers are negative, the result is positive. Let's take a look at this one. Negative 2 times negative 2. The result is a positive number. So working backwards, 4 divided by negative 2 gives you negative 2, which is similar to the results above. Basically, dividing a negative number by a negative number should give you a positive number. Dividing a negative number by a positive number should give you a negative number. Let's work through these. So 12q, 12q minus 24 equals to minus 24. Let's work through that. So what it means is that q times 12 equals to negative 24. So this means if I start with negative 24 and work backwards, negative 24 divided by 12, what does that give me? It should give me negative 2, because dividing a negative number by a positive number should give you a negative result. Let's look at this one. 15d equals to minus 45. Let's start with d. So d times 15 equals to negative 45. Okay, so starting with negative 45, instead of multiplying by 50, we divide by 50. So again, you take a negative number, divide by a positive number, we should get a negative result. Now here's another one. I start with h. Now minus 10. Minus 10h means minus 10 times h, or it also means h times negative 10. So times negative 10 gives you 50. All right, so working backwards, I start with 50. Now 50, the opposite of times negative 10, the opposite is that, the opposite of that is divide by negative 10. All right, so 50 divided by negative 10 gives you a positive, so it gives you a negative 5. Positive number divided by negative number gives you a negative number. So long as one of the numbers is negative, then the result is negative. All right, so let's take this one. 3c equals to 39. So c times 3 equals to negative 39. So starting with negative 39, we divide by 3. So negative 39 divided by 3, again you have a negative number divided by a positive number. The end result is a negative number, which is minus 13. All right, so c equals to minus 13. Let's work on this one. 15i equals to minus 90. So we start with i. So we know that we're going to multiply that with 15. That gives us minus 90. So starting with minus 90, we work backwards. Minus 90 divided by 15. That gives us negative 6. There you go.